In the early hours of January 15, 2023, at 2:30 a.m., an incident unfolded where a woman crashed into a parked car. Law enforcement swiftly arrived on the scene, ensuring the woman's well-being and promptly evaluating the vehicular damage. Concerns arose when the police suspected the involvement of alcohol or drugs in the accident. The officers sought to extract accurate information about the incident, but faced resistance from the woman. When the officer questioned the woman about the incident, she portrayed herself as an innocent party.
How you doing?
Great, how are you?
What's your name? Hey, you wanna stand on the sidewalk? That way we get up the road, son. Hey, we can walk over here to just a sidewalk right here. Huh?
The sidewalk.
Well, I'm trying to get away from the car crash because we're still in the roadway. You're fine. You're fine. Okay.
No, like really.
Okay. So, here, you just stand in front of my car. What's?
These are the sidewalks.
Okay. Even though, what's going on?
Well, I was leaving work here, and my car was parked behind there because there was no parking. And I had to come up this way, and there was an ambulance parked right where that officer or that car was, right there.
Okay.
So I went around the ambulance, and not on a full speed or nothing, but I did not see that car. Okay. So I did clip it a second. I'm at full fault. I do get that. But I don't believe that I was in any danger of anybody or anything.
Okay. All right. You're not hurt at all, are you?
I am not. No.
Okay. So, Officer Witt conducted the traffic crash investigation in reference to the traffic crash, okay? So, our traffic crash investigation is over, okay? What I'm here to conduct is a DUI investigation.
Okay.
Okay? Reason being is that I can smell the strong odor of alcohol on your breath. Okay? Your eyes are red and watery.
I have allergies.
Despite the officer's attempts to gather information, her nonchalant demeanor and denial suggested a lack of cooperation or willingness to engage in providing details about the circumstances surrounding the crash. The woman, visibly embarrassed, vehemently asserted her innocence, repeatedly stating she knew nothing about the incident.
Answer at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? A verbal yes or no. That way I know that you understand. A verbal yes or no.
Unless I have a lawyer, I'm not speaking.
So, do you understand each of these rights have a
No, unless I call a lawyer.
Okay, wait,
Can I call my lawyer?
We'll go step by step, okay?
I'll call my lawyer.
Okay. Here, let's...
No, I'm gonna call my lawyer.
Okay. So let me get through this first. And
You're gonna keep doing that, but I'm still gonna call my lawyer.
I need you to...
I need a lawyer present.
Okay.
I need a lawyer present.
So could we move forward with the investigation, please?
Not unless I have a lawyer present.
Okay. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? It's a simple yes or no.
I said no unless I have a lawyer present.
Okay. What part don't you understand?
I need a lawyer present.
Okay. So you have the right to remain silent and...
The woman persistently inquired about her lawyer, but the officer stated that she couldn't call one before the arrest, emphasizing a limitation on legal assistance during initial questioning. The officers, astutely observing the woman's evasive behavior, deduced a crucial factor behind her reluctance: intoxication. The woman's refusal to cooperate became a red flag, signaling an attempt to conceal her inebriated state and avoid potential legal consequences.
I don't respond to anything unless I have a lawyer present.
Is this yes or no?
No.
So you don't understand your rights? What part don't you understand?
I understand that I'm not speaking unless I have a lawyer present.
Okay. So, as I explained, I'm conducting a DUI investigation, okay? Based off of my observations, I believe you might be impaired, okay? Would you be willing to participate in field sobriety exercises to determine your ability to operate a motor vehicle safely?
Not unless I have a lawyer present.
Okay. So, in regards to field sobriety, you don't have rights to a lawyer.
I have rights to my
not during field sobriety?
To my own rights, yes, I do. So no, I will not.
Okay.
So you can.
So
arrest me.
if you refuse sobriety, which
I
you
understand
can,
how it works.
I will have to make a determination based off of what I know thus far, which is that the odor of alcohol is coming from your breath, your eyes are bloodshot red and watery, and you crashed a motor vehicle. So do you want to participate in field sobriety?
No, I have allergies, and that's why my eyes are red. And there was also an emergency vehicle parked right.
So I
in front
have
of
reason
my
to
car.
believe that you might be impaired, okay? To dispel
That
my
blocked
fears,
my view of the whole road.
okay, so to dispel
But yes.
my
So
fears
what you're
that you might
saying?
be impaired, would you be willing to participate in field sobriety exercises?
Not unless I have a lawyer present.
So, is that yes
Do you
or
have
no?
a lawyer of your own?
Yes or no? Yes, no?
Can I call a lawyer?
Yes or no?
It's not a yes or no.
Okay, I'll explain to you. You don't have rights to attorney right.
During the investigation, when officers sought information such as her driver's license and details about the wrong turn and public property damage, the woman adamantly refused to provide any relevant details. Upon confirming the woman's inebriated state, the officers moved to arrest her. She also confessed that the officer didn't allow her to call the lawyer. However, she vehemently resisted, engaging in a physical altercation with law enforcement to avoid going to jail.
I repeat, unless my lawyer is present.
Okay,
So are you going to
so-
say I'm resisting?
So the next thing that comes out your mouth, if it isn't yes, that you're willing, are you
Then it's
willing
resisting?
to, then it's going to be taken as a no. So do you wish to participate in field sobriety?
Can I call my lawyer?
Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back for me.
Can I call my... Oh, so now I can't call my lawyer.
So I am placing you under arrest for DUI, okay?
How's that lead to control this?
All your stuff has to go with you. And the stuff over there, third party.
Get my purse and phone and stuff.
So here.
Can I grab her stuff? No, it's got to go with her. It's got to go with her. Yes, sir. Car goes with me.
That why can't you allow someone to do that?
Alright.
I've done that before for somebody.
So listen. If you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year. for
Are
a
you
first
reading
refusal,
off a list?
Or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusal to submit to a lawful test
Are you reading that off
of
a
your
list?
breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor in addition to any other penalties which can be opposed by law. Refusal to submit to the test I have requested is admissible into evidence in any criminal proceeding. Do you refuse to submit to this test?
I request a lawyer.
Okay. So you don't have rights to an attorney at this point.
I do have rights to an
Okay.
attorney.
You're not being interrogated. Okay.
But I will not speak any further until I have an attorney present.
Okay. So do you
So
understand
that
your
is
license?
no. I will not speak anymore unless I have an attorney present.
Understood. Okay.
So I will not answer yes or no to that until I have an attorney present. And you refuse
So
to let me call my attorney.
So listen. So you're refusing. Okay. So anything other than a yes, once again, will be taken as a no. So will you provide me with the breath sample?
I want my attorney.
Okay. Once again, you don't have right to an attorney right now. Will you provide me with the breath sample?
Not unless my
It's,
lawyer
it's,
has
it's
been.
just yes or no. Why do you make it sound difficult? Just yes or no.
Because I have a right to an attorney.
Yes or no.
And I asked to
You're
call
not,
my attorney.
You're not being interrogated.
Remember you just talked to me over there? Like,
Yeah,
an
I
hour
know.
ago?
And can I say for one thing?
Well, whatever he's asking you, I'm here to search you, okay? Because I have to do that. A female has to search a female, okay? Do you understand that?
Oh, I understand,
Oh,
but
okay.
it's cold as shit out here right now. Are you gonna strip search me like outside right now?
Of course not. No.
Okay.
So-
Can I say this one thing
Sure.
to
go ahead.
you?
Of course.
Because I work here, I work everywhere.
Okay.
I have someone liable to take my car home.
Okay.
So now that's not a thing.
So that is up to the investigating officer, and our policy dictates if somebody is under arrest, then the car usually is towed.
It was.
No, I want a lawyer.
This is what we're gonna do. You're gonna stand here,
serious?
spread your legs,
No, I'm
Spread
like
your legs.
peeing my pants. I'm like, literally peeing my pants.
Well, then you're going to be peeing on yourself. But I need you to spread your legs because you're getting searched. Do you
I'm
understand?
peeing my pants right now. One second.
Do you have anything
I'm
on
not
you?
resisting arrest.
Okay, well, I asked you to stand over here. You said no.
Can you stop holding my arm like that? That
No,
hurt.
Okay,
No,
well, then
him.
comply. Comply.
I'm not resisting.
Do you have anything on you that is going to poke or stick me? And do you have underwire in your bra? Anything inside of your bra that I need to be aware of? I have to search you. That's
Yeah, my bra has a regular underwire.
okay. Do you sometimes ladies tuck money or something in their bra? Do you have anything in your bra?
I don't know. I work
don't know what's in
tonight.
your
Like,
bra?
I don't know if I have money in my fucking bra right now. Right? I don't know.
Okay.
Despite her protests and aggressive behavior, the officers successfully apprehended her and placed her in the police vehicle. Throughout the process, she continued arguing and hurling verbal abuse at the officers, expressing her vehement opposition to the arrest. Following her arrest, the woman was transported to jail, where she faced a multitude of charges.
Card, please.
Sure, but
Thank you.
you've refused me for my
come on,
own
here,
power of attorney,
here,
right?
come.
Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
For what reasons? I will walk.
All right, come on. You act like you can't walk.
Well, you act
Wait.
like I have no rights. I have a lot of fucking rights.
Okay, here, I don't want you getting hit by a car.
No, there.
That's gonna hold-
Please don't touch me. I'm not running away.
I don't know for sure.
So can I call my lawyer yet?
No,
No. Because of?
I said so.
That's not how the power of attorney works. That's not how the law works.
And you know the law?
I know that this is not the law. I have a word of voice and I have a,
Oh, really?
yes, I should be able to call my fucking lawyer. I should have been able to call my lawyer a long fucking time ago.
Oh, really?
Get on your cam too.
Oh. We'll play it back for your employer, too.
This is ridiculous.
Tell me about it. I'm with a 26-year-old woman that acts like a 4-year-old. Tell me about how ridiculous this is. Tell me about it, right?
It's not ridiculous. I could have been booked and processed and already on my way out. And you just did all this extra shit. So go ahead and get me fired and do whatever you have to do. You just tried to get me strapped down to a bed in the hospital. I know my rights, and I told you.
These included DUI, driving under the influence, for her intoxicated state, charges related to the wrong parking incident, and accountability for public property damage. Additionally, her physical altercation with the officers during the arrest led to charges related to resisting arrest and assaulting law enforcement. The culmination of these charges emphasized the severity of her actions and the legal consequences she would confront as a result of her involvement in the crash and subsequent confrontations with the authorities. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To stay updated on our future videos, click on the notification bell icon after subscribing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.